Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable dual messenger apps such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Viber, Messages, and others on your Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, or the S20 Ultra. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, tap on advanced features, then go down and tap on dual messenger. And here, tap on WhatsApp, switch to turn it on or off. Now, if you decide to install WhatsApp as a second messenger, then it will require you to install a second copy. So tap on install and tap on confirm. Then you can also choose to use a separate contact list or not. So you can tap on the switch, and you can select all, or you can just leave it as the default. So now it's turning on dual messenger. And then I'm just going to go back and then say Facebook. You can also tap on that to install a second copy of Facebook. And that's it. So that's how you can enable or disable dual messenger on your Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, and S20 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video.